Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to about how can we solve this problem. Guys, you can see your phone is not working. So guys, how can you solve this problem in your Motorola phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you how can you solve this problem. So whatever I will do in this video guys, if you do same, so guys you can solve this problem. And guys, don't do any mistake guys, otherwise it's your risk, not mine. So guys, let's see how to solve this problem. Guys, we call it TalkBack. Friends, in this video guys, I will show you how can we solve TalkBack. So and first of all, use your two finger. So you can see guys, you can use it. Then guys, scroll setting option, one finger, click on setting. Guys, two tap, continue. Then guys, you can see this type of settings. Then I scroll it. Accessibility, one tap. Continue to tap. TalkBack. Continue. Stop back. So friends, now you can see your phone is fine, and guys you can use your phone without any problem. Guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve TalkBack problem in Motorola phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys go and one like for my video, and guys you want some other video like that, so guys subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So bye bye friends, and guys do you have any doubt, and guys you have any problem in your Motorola phone device, so guys you can ask me in comment section, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.